Today we are going to learn on how to get free Bingo Blitz credits. So let's get started. First, open up your Bingo Blitz app on your device. And the first thing you will need to do is always claim your daily login bonus. Just opening the app every day earns you free credits, and the rewards stack up the more days you play in a row. And you can also connect your account with Facebook to unlock Prince gifts and extra bonus. Next, you can send and receive free credits from Prince daily, and it adds up fast. Taking part in game events and taking Bingo Blitz official Facebook page, they often post links to claim free credits, coins, and power-ups. And that's how you get free Bingo Blitz credits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.